In this video, we are going to look on how to mute yourself on Zoom. So, to turn your microphone off or mute yourself on Zoom, you need to click here on the audio icon, and then once you get a horizontal red line, which means you have successfully muted yourself or turned your microphone off during the Zoom call. To confirm whether you have muted yourself or no, make sure that this icon has a red horizontal line. If it does, then it means that you have muted yourself, and if not, which means your microphone is still in use. You can also get notified here. A red icon will appear around your name, which will notify you whether you are mute or no. I hope this helps you. Do like, share and subscribe to Easy Internet for more such videos. Thanks for watching.